You ready? Time to sweat. Let's go.
Okay guys, here we go again. First, a couple shout outs. John, who made a comment on my page, who said that he just recently found this page and for the first time on his M3 was able to break 300 calories. I set the cadence for him. And man, number one, thanks for the comment. I appreciate it. Number two, it's why I started this page, to bring you up to the tempo and to give you the best workout you can. And remember guys, not just on this machine, bring any machine you got to this. And we'll work out together. But if you want to get this machine, this is the ultimate machine. This machine is why I stopped wasting my money going down to the gym. And I just jump on this every night. So, and then my daughter Abby, who lives down in Florida, one of her co-workers said that he just started recently following my page. Thank you for the following. Make sure you give a thumbs up and leave a comment so I can give a shout out to you, so I know your name. Anybody else has anything they want to say, any questions or anything like that, leave a comment. I'll answer them. So, special shout out to my daughter Abby in Florida. She right now is a civilian, but she's a veteran. Very proud daddy of her. So anyway, today's workout, manual. Not just any manual. We've done this before. We're going to do it again. I'm going to hold right around 20, maybe 22 RPMs. For 15 minutes we're going to do the workout, and every minute we're going to juice it up. I'm going to try to juice it up to around 30. And then bring it back down. So every minute we're going to go back and forth, and we're going to shatter that 300 calories. So let's, on our machines, let's find the manual. Remember guys, if you don't have this machine, work out with me anyway. Tell your friends, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment. Stairs, manual. 3, 2, 1, hit that start. We'll continue talking. I'm going to stay nice and relaxed here. At about 22 RPMs. Now I have the M7, so I have the capability with the heart monitor to see what my heart rate is on my machine. I also have my iPhone watch that I keep track of my heart rate. For my performance, usually about 155, 160, that I know I'm really getting a good workout. I occasionally, on this machine, have tacked it up to 180, 190, but that's really pushing it. Okay, here we go for the first minute. Nothing extreme. Just waking that body up. Get that heart rate up. Start burning them calories. There you go. Easy peasy. I don't know why I just said that. 10 seconds. Okay, calm down. There we go. Now, why am I doing this? Because for you guys struggling, holding this around 20 RPMs, we're juicing it up So when you come back down to 20 RPMs, it feels nice and easy. So unless you ever go beyond what you're used to, you're not going to go to the next level. 10 seconds. There we go. Start bringing it up. Make sure you're using your arms. Help them legs out. Thirty seconds. And we can relax a little bit. There. Under 4 minutes, 100 calories already, if you're staying with this tempo. About 155 on the heart rate. Nothing ridiculous. I'm going to try to find some music. Something we can work out to. Very hard to find the right music. YouTube has so many rules and regulations. Oh, we're back up again. I almost missed that. Take your time. Should have been looking at the clock. It's 5 minutes already, guys. Time flies when we do it this way. Five more seconds. Bring it down. A minute doesn't seem long when you're relaxing. It seems really long when you're juicing it up. Go figure. So, you know, at home, since I put the speedometer, control panel, whatever you want to call it, up in the corner, I mean, you can throw on a headset, some music, and be able to see what I'm doing. Five seconds, we go again. Here we go. Should be loosened up by now. And then the first couple ones, you're like, oh my God, what am I doing? Stay with me. $200 calories. Bring it down. Under 8 minutes. I used to struggle with 200 calories in 10 minutes. Now I'm bringing you guys along with me. You get to be a superstar right out the gate. Mess around with your hand positions. Change that workout for your arms and your back. This truly is an all-body workout machine. It really is. I should sell these. I don't think Bowflex needs me though. They pretty much sell themselves. 2 more seconds. Here we go. Only thing I'm doing is showing Bowflex how to use this thing. If they want to challenge me, they're welcome to. I think it'd be fun. You know what they'll do? Put one of them young, hot, in shape superstar models against me. You know, the guy there with no shirt, 6-pack abs, but they won't show you the console to see what he's doing. Five seconds. Bring it down. Yep, that's what they would do. Put one of them young 20-year-old guys against this 50-year-old guy. I don't blame them. It's the only way they would stand a chance. Put them up for the challenge. I have one thing on most people. I celebrate defeat. That might sound funny, but when you get beat, it gives you something to work for, to try to do better. Most people don't think about it like that. Most people go into a depression. I go into a work harder ethic. 5 seconds. Here we go. Juice it up. Come on. Remember I told you before, keep that image of that guy that always beat you in that race. And today, you're right behind him, sticking right on his ass, sending a message, you ain't going nowhere today, buddy. Keep it going. He's got his breaking point. You don't let him go, he'll back down. Stay on him. Ten seconds. 300 calories. Back down. See? You didn't let him go. You got that image in your head? He couldn't get away. He was forced to back down. We're over 12 minutes into it, guys. We're doing good. We're up to 300 calories already. Awesome day. Okay, well, the next one. We got our 2-minute warning. We're gonna juice it up in a couple seconds here. 5 seconds. Get her back up. Let's go. Stay with the pace. Don't you quit. You come all this way to quit. Thirty seconds. Keep it going. You're relaxing a minute. Ten seconds. Okay, relax. Get a drink of water. We got one more to go. One more to go. Last one. The last gust to the finish line. Don't you quit. You quit now. All this was for nothing. If you're 100% staying right where you are, then do it. Don't quit. If you're 100% is doing better than me, then go for it. Don't quit. Ten seconds. Last one. Here we go. Do what you can do. Keep it going. Don't let the pack go. Stay right with us. Seconds. So we're going to get 400. Seconds. 400 calories. Celebrate. Get that finish line. Two, one. Good job. Over 400 calories. 15 minutes. Good job. See you next time.